corn. You got the whole cup to yourself. Is that nice? You're having corn and I'm having ice cream. Yeah. Training tips for small birds. Simple training lessons to get any small bird to love you. Yeah. It is a CD. It is a CD, and it's got a little cockatiel on it. See? So this is perfect for bird, and it was perfect for bird. Hey, little bird. I'm trying to eat. You should not be eating noodles. This is mine. It's my noodles. Yeah, you go into your corner and think about what you've done. It's a little bowl. Look at this. Do you like it? No? Fine, I'll have it. This bird is hungry for blood. Don't you want some blood? I know you love it. Crazy blood drinking bird. What? Do you want to get up? Do you want to get up? Come on, up, up. Up, up. Come on. Oh, fine then. Be that way. Be that way.